Hello pa tayo na aplikante. By request of one of our followers, here's what to expect during PMA exam day. Let's go! During the exam day, in the morning, you'll go through a physical check and have your requirements checked. What should I bring during the exam day? For walk-in applicants, don't forget to bring your duly accomplished application form, birth certificate and grades, valid ID, 2x2 photo with white background, and at least 2 pencils. For online applicants, don't forget your exam permit, valid ID, 2x2 photo with white background, and at least 2 pencils. Now, once everything checked, you'll get an orientation on the rules and seating arrangement. Then you'll have your lunch break for about 60 minutes, so don't be late. After lunch, the exam begins. Expect it to last for about 3 hours, so you'll be done around 5 p.m. Here's a quick tip. During your reviews, focus on the three main subjects, abstract, English, and math. During the exam day, follow the instructions and don't stay on one question because your time is limited. Alright, that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo and good luck sa inyong lahat.